So the first thing I want you to look on the improving the turnaround time. So it is currently 15 minutes and uh, the goal is to reach to 10 minutes. So this is the current state. This is the future state. And the period that I've taken into consideration is the Jan to June 20. And you can mention anything as per your convenience. Okay. And the second opportunity, you can pick either one of them and prepare. And the second is reducing customer escalations. So the current rate is 20% and you want to reach it to 10% and the same. So I'll give you 10-15 minutes to prepare a project charter, wherein I'm interested in knowing that how you write the business case, how you write the problem statement, the goal statement, how you define the milestones, how you describe the in scope and out scope. So, how much time do you think you need for this?
I think 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes should be.
Okay, so it's 7:23. Let's finish it by 7:35. Okay, so business statement, problem statement, goal statement, milestones, in scope, out scope, and team. Please ensure that it consists of each and everything that we mentioned during our last session. Okay, so I can ask anybody to present his or her screen, or probably can talk about it, and then we'll discuss that. This is a very important thing of the define phase. So I want to ensure that we don't only cover the theory part, we should be good with the practical as well. So your time starts now. Okay, let's start. I think we have to cover a lot today. So can I ask Piyush? Can I ask Piyush to share your business case? What you have prepared? Which of the option have you selected? Piyush, are you ready? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. Piyush, can you hear me? Can I ask Ratna to present your business case or a project charter?
Simar, I'm not yet done. Actually, I'm just finishing off on my some other thing also.
Sorry,
Yeah, I'm not yet done. I'm not done.
Okay, can I ask Bhanu?
Yes, I made because I don't know how to make, but I made it. I will present.
Not an issue. This is just a test to look at what we have done. So
yes,
nothing to worry about here.
Now I share my screen. Okay.
Okay.
Simar, this is Remy here. Just one disclosure. I was, because as I had to step out for the call, I didn't know that we have to like write it in the Excel or something. So I just prepared it on my orally, I haven't written anything. But
I also done the same.
Yeah, so that's what
not
I
an
was
issue.
just.
Not an issue. It is, the intent is not to prepare any kind of a format or a PPT. The intent is to ensure that we as a group can look at one of the problem statement and see whether it is effective or not. So if we are a stakeholder, what should be our reaction towards this problem statement? Okay, so that was our intent.
Yeah, thank you.
So thanks so much. So thanks Bhanu for putting it up for us. Would you like to take us through to what you're presenting to us? We'll give you 5 minutes.
Yeah. I just make a business project starter for AST, increase our AST level and business. So I made a business case, stable the client satisfaction for all query, lack of training material.
Can you please increase the font? It's I think a bit small that we all can
One.
just zoom it so that we all can.
Sure. I will. It's fine.
Yes.
So for business case, I make for first stable the client satisfaction for all query, lack of training material. And second one is maybe the client left our service because he need end-to-end service as per the client requirement.
Okay, so this is which opportunity have you picked? First one, improved in the turnaround time, or the second one?
First one.
Okay.
And my problem statement is description of pain. So my issue is every day we are missing calls. Need to compress software to land direct call in our system.
Okay.
And second one is what does not meet the customer needs? Need to improve client issue within 20 minutes. So is it right or wrong? I just made it. Smirpreet.
Let's agree. Let's go through the entire stuff and then we'll talk about it.
Because before I never make any project catcher. I'm new. I'm just started my job
Yes.
2 years before. So I not able to make everything.
Not an issue. We are here to learn, so nothing to worry about. You can move to the next one.
And my goal statement is the goal is reduced to AST from 3 minutes to 1.5 minutes, and also improve our QA level percentage from 80% to 90% by the July 25th. But I think June, it seems June. I made it July. So I will change. And my second thing is weekly process development, meeting with BP and stakeholders.
Okay.
And the third one is organized training session for our new and old agents before 17th May.
Okay.
And my milestone is need improve FCR greater than 90%. FCR first call resolution.
Okay.
And my in scope same. My in scope is improve our AST.
Okay.
And my total team member is 2.
All right. I just want to ask from our respective friends that were there on the call to evaluate it, give your feedback as a team, and then we will move ahead. So the problem that he has picked is improving the turnaround time. The current state is 15 minutes that we are currently at, and we want to reach it to 10 minutes.
Yes.
So Simar, hi, this is Anand.
Yes.
I think the business case should outline the nature of the business in short. It should talk about what is the current baseline, which is at a 15-minute instead of the points which are mentioned, which is a stable, the client satisfaction. It should actually talk about some numbers. The problem statement should talk about what is your baseline and where do you want to reach in what time. That should be the goal statement. Problem statement should articulate that we stand at a 15 minutes as compared to the business expectation of 10 minutes. That's the problem. Your goal statement is to reach the business goal of 10 minutes by a stipulated time, say September 2020.
Okay.
In the milestones, you'll have clear milestones for the entire DMAC methodology as to when do you plan to start your define, measure, analyze, when do you plan to end it. And in your in scope and out of scope, it should have a process name, particularly which process are you targeting, which is in scope. And then your out of scope would probably be anything which is not mentioned as in scope.
Okay. And in the team, Bhanu, can you go back to the screen which you were presenting?
Yes, I will again.
Anand, can you hear me?
Yes, Simar. I lost you there.
So Anand, what do we mention in the team then?
In your team, it should be your team members for the project. So maybe a subject matter expert that you will use, a person, the one which we talked about in the army, any member who will support you with the data, your project champion, your project lead, and your project approver.
Yeah, it should also have the sponsor's name, the project sponsor's name.
Okay. So thanks, Anand. I think you have summarized it very well.